2013, the June paper for C3. Number 1, differentiate this. It's a product rule. So u equals x, so du by dx is 1. V equals cos x, dv by dx is minus sin x. dy by dx is u dv by dx plus v du by dx. So u dv by dx is minus sin x, v is cos x times that. Tidying it up, minus x sin x plus cos x. Number 2, differentiate that one. So y equals tan 2x over x. It's a quotient rule this time. So u equals tan to the 2x, v equals x. du by dx. Tan goes to sec squared. Make sure you put the derivative in front. dv by dx goes to 1. So write out your quotient rule. dy by dx is dv by du. Sorry, v du by dx minus u dv by dx all over v squared. V is x, du by dx is this one, so just tidy it up, so write it out. 2x in front, minus tan 2x times dv by dx is just a 1, all over v squared. And your third one is just a wee log. So y equals log x squared add 3. So to differentiate that, the derivative goes on top and the function goes in the bottom. Got to do question 6a now. So 6a has got partial fractions in it. It says use partial fractions to rewrite this in the form. So x plus 10 over 2x minus 5x squared equals a over 2x minus 5 plus b over x plus c over x squared. So let's get our top line. Sort it here. X plus 10 equals a. This one needs an extra x squared. This one needs an extra 2x minus 5 and an x. And this one needs an extra 2x minus 5. Choose x to be 0, first of all. So 10 equals that disappears, giving you minus 5c. So I've got c equals minus 2. You can go for x to be 5 over 2 to get rid of that bracket. So 5 over 2 is 2.5, so that's 12.5. 5 over 2 squared, so it's 2.5 squared is 6.25, so 6.25a. That will disappear and that will disappear. So 12.5 divided by your 6.25 gives you a to be 2. And the easiest way is probably just doing the coefficients of x squared. There's no coefficient of x squared there. A, that's going to be plus 2b, and there's no x squared there. So put in your a, and that gives you b to be minus 1. So therefore, your a over 2x minus 5 plus b over x plus c over x squared can be rewritten as a 2x minus 5 plus b minus 1 over x plus c minus 2 over x squared. Second bit of this question is asking you to differentiate that. So y equals, so I'm going to write it in its partial fraction form, minus 1 over x minus 2 over x squared. Going to bring that up as a wee bracket there, so minus 1, that's minus 1, minus 2 to the minus 2. Now to differentiate that. Differentiate bracket, the power goes to the front, you take 1 off, multiply it by the derivative. The power goes to the front, you take 1 off. The power goes to the front, you take 1 off. And I'll just tidy this up a wee bit. So it's minus 4 over 2x minus 5 squared plus 1 over x squared plus 4 over x cubed.